Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to sign documents on this device. So at first you need to open the document that you wish to sign. It's under Files most probably. Then choose the file that you wish to sign, for example this one, and all you need to do now is to click on this sign icon, and now pick the pen that you wish to use, and here you can sign it smoothly by using your hand. So, and then just tap on done to save it. Now you can send it as a response. So okay, it's not the one. Let me just find it. Okay, so here it is. It's still on the first place. And here you've got your sign. You can smoothly share it with your friends or with anyone you wish to send it to. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.